Hello, welcome students. You are watching a mathematics class on exercise knowing our numbers. Okay. So in the previous classes, I have already talked on warm-up exercises. Okay. So similar today, I will do start from question number exercise 2.1. So let's begin from question number 1. Here the question is given that write the following numbers according to the Indian place value chart. Insert comma to separate the periods. Okay. So first of all, you have to keep in mind that just we have to put the what comma. You have to put comma. Okay. So suppose I have written here two question written. Rest of the questions you have to do at home. Okay. So now, first of all, you must keep in mind that this is the ones, this is tens, this is 100, and this one is 1000, then 10,000, then what lakh. So this means that 1, 10, 100. Again, you have to put comma. Then 1000. Here, how many times 1000 here? 2 times comes. Okay. So this means that you have to 1000, then 10,000. Again, you have to put comma. Then what? 8 lakh. Clear? In this way, we have to insert the comma. So again, in the next question, here how many digits are there? Let's see. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. So we have to put in this way. Suppose first of all I have to write in this way as the same in the given in the question. Okay. So now just you have to keep in mind that here 2 digits are what? Crore portion. Then we have to put comma. Okay. Then again here there is what? Lakh. Then again we have to put comma. Then again we have to see that there is a 2 digit of what? Your 1000. Now again 100, 10 and 1. So in this way you have to insert your comma. Okay. So now question number 2. Here the question given here. Write the following in words. You have to write in word. Okay. So suppose I have already written the question 66 comma 89 comma 904. So before writing your words, you must keep in mind that you have to write down the place value. Okay, of each of the digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This means that in this lakh there is how many digits are there? 2 in case of lakh. Okay. So how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. So I have write the 66 lakh. Okay. Now here again 2 numbers are in the 1000 place. Okay. So this means that 89,000. Okay. This 9 place is what? 100 place. Then we have to write 9 what? 100. Okay. Then 04 means 4. If the 1 is given, then 1 and 4 what? 14. Okay. But here I will write and what? 4. So this is our answer. Okay. So next question is that write the following in what? Figures. So in case of figure, you must keep in mind. Suppose I would write down here a question number E. 99 what? Crore. Then 62 what? Lakh. 44,000. 680 what? 7. Okay. So now first of all, before putting the value in the figure, then you have to put the place value. 1, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. So now here there is a right here what written here, what is written in 99 crore. This means that 99 what crore, put comma. 62 lakh, I mean 62 lakh, again put comma. 44,000, 44,000. 687, this means 608 means 10 plus 80, then what, 7. In this way we have to write in what figures. Okay, so next question is that in question number 4 there is write the place value of the underlined digit. Suppose here you see that question number 1, 76, 89, 820. I mean 76,59,000 and what 820. So you have to see that here 8 comes in where 100 place. Okay, so we have to write down here what 800. Clear? Or if you want to write in numerical way, then this means that 800. Clear? So next is the write the face value. So this is what, this is the place value. This is what place value. So I will write in this way. Okay, place value of 8 is what 800. Clear? So in case of face value, then you will write this one. Okay, so now this is what 4 is the face. Here the face value of 4 is what 4. Okay, or maybe a numerical way. Okay, no problem. Say clear. So next here question number 6, you have to given the number, make it what expanded form. What expanded form? Now listen, suppose here first of all I want to write 2. So after that, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus then 9. Again we have to write up 5 times 0. Next 4 times 0. Next 8, 3 times 0. So 0 means nothing else. So we have to write 2, 20 and 8 is the 1 place. In this way we have to expand it. Okay, so in the question number 7, in the same way you have to just sum out in which place whether they are belongs. Okay, so you have to make it what, write down in a figure. Okay, so next here question number 8, find the sum of the place value of the 2, 6. Okay, so in the number given here that 1, 6, 8, 9, 7, 6, 3, 4. So here you have to see the place value of 2, 6 is what? First of all, how many 0 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and what? And here I will write R. So and this one is the 100 place. This means that I will write 600. Okay, so according to question you have to find out what their sum. If the difference is given, then you have to subtract. Okay, but according to this question here you have to find out what their sum. Okay, so you have to sum up. When you sum up, you will get. So this is your what answer. Okay, so if the product is given here, then you have to multiply it. Okay, and nothing else. Very, very easy. So now listen. First of all, I want to say, I am giving you WhatsApp number personally. So you must keep in mind that if you want to do homework or maybe classwork, then you have to give me your message via WhatsApp personally, and you don't forget to write your name along with class. Okay, नाम और क्लास दोनों लिखकर व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर दीजिएगा. मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं इसके जो होमवर्क है जो क्लास टेस्ट होंगे वो मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करूंगा। आप उसको जो टाइम रहेगा मैं टाइम लिख दूंगा वहां पे, तो आप उसी टाइम के आधार पर आपको टेस्ट देना हो, ठीक है। बट इसमें आप ये मत सोचिए कि मैंने आपको जो कहा तो वही आप करोगे। ये आपका मन है, अगर आपको करने की इच्छा हो तो आप हमें जरूर भेजिएगा, नहीं तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ओके, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप अच्छा से यानी कि सवाल करो, थोड़ा टॉपर हो जाओ मैथमेटिक्स में, ठीक है। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये जरूर समझ में आ गया होगा। तो फिर हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर मुलाकात करेंगे, तब तक बाय बाय।